Take a ride in the 2017 Explorer. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, roof rails, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find airbags, front passenger knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, tapless fuel filler system, cruise control, trip computer, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, multifunction display, power windows. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.